Some patients require thickened liquids in order to swallow safely. This video will explain the importance of thickening liquids and demonstrate how to thicken liquids correctly. A variety of medical conditions may cause dysphagia or difficulty swallowing. Dysphagia puts people at risk for aspiration, which is when food or liquid accidentally enters the airway. Frequent aspiration can lead to aspiration pneumonia. For some patients, thickening their liquids can decrease the risk of aspiration by changing the consistency of the liquids. A speech pathologist may recommend a specific liquid consistency that is safe for you to swallow. Most liquid in its natural state is considered a thin liquid. For example, apple juice, milk, and water are some examples of thin liquids. But liquids can also be thickened to more viscous consistencies, such as mildly thick or moderately thick consistency. A mildly thick liquid pours quickly from a spoon, but slower than a thin liquid. Mild effort is required to drink it through a standard size straw. Mildly thick liquids may also be referred to as level 2 thickness. Moderately thick liquids can be consumed with a spoon, but not with a fork because it drips slowly and dollops through the prongs. It can be drunk from a cup and through a standard size straw. Moderately thick liquids may also be referred to as level 3 thickness. Several commercially available thickeners can be purchased through your local pharmacy. You can also purchase many of these online. You do not need a medical script to purchase thickener. Make sure to follow the package directions to ensure that the correct amount of thickener is added to each beverage. At Moffitt, we use Simply Thick Easy Mix to thicken our liquids that we serve to patients. Simply Thick Easy Mix comes in pre-measured packets of mildly thick or moderately thick. Now we will show you how to thicken your liquids to mildly thick or moderately thick using Simply Thick Easy Mix. Select a packet of mildly thick Simply Thick Easy Mix. Pour 1 packet of thickener into 4 ounces of liquid. Stir with a spoon for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, the liquid will be mildly thick consistency and it will be ready to drink immediately. Some commercial thickening agents will thicken past the point of desired thickness after sitting out for an extended period of time. This particular brand does not thicken over time, but be sure to check the label of any thickener you purchase to see how fast the product will thicken and if it's expected to thicken over time. To make a moderately thick liquid, you would repeat the same process, but you would choose the moderately thick packet of Simply Thick Easy Mix instead. Make sure you add the appropriate amount of thickener for the volume of liquid listed on the directions. For example, to prepare 8 ounces of liquid, you would need 2 packets of Simply Thick Easy Mix to find the desired consistency. When you are thickening your liquids to mildly thick or moderately thick consistency, please be sure to follow the product directions. Nearly any liquid can be thickened to mildly thick or moderately thick consistency. Some examples are water, milk, coffee, juice, tea, and soup. Certain beverages cannot be thickened with commercial thickeners. Clear liquid oral supplements like Boost Breeze, Ensure Clear, or Premier Clear cannot be thickened. In addition, items that have a frozen or gelatin component cannot be appropriately thickened as the item will melt in the mouth. Patients who require thickened liquids would need to avoid beverages with ice, Italian ice, popsicles, Jell-O, ice cream, sherbet, and slushes. If you have questions or need more information, please contact the Speech Language Pathology Department.